Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Most repeated 1000 MCQ series general knowledge part number 36 question number 951. GMT was established at 1884. GMT was established at 1884. Albania means land of eagles. Albania means land of eagles. The Murdar mountain is situated near Quetta. The Murdar mountain is situated near Quetta. The Jamrud fort is situated near Peshawar. The Jamrud fort is situated near Peshawar. The Shahjahan mosque is situated at Thatta. The Shahjahan mosque is situated at Thatta. Durand line was agreed 1893. Durand line was agreed between Pakistan and Afghanistan 1893. Actually, during this time, British government was established, and it is agreement between Afghanistan and British government in 1893, which is known as Durand line, which separate Pakistan and Afghanistan border. Pakistan oldest hydropower project, Malakand. Malakand oldest hydropower project of Pakistan. The Gomal University is situated in D.I. Khan. The Gomal University is situated in D.I. Khan, Dera Ismail Khan. First Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Army, General Frank Messervy. First Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Army, General Frank Messervy. The hottest month ever recorded on Earth, July 2023 is the hottest month ever recorded on Earth. For the previous history, July 2023 is the hottest month of this Earth. The atmosphere of the planet Mars is mostly consists of carbon dioxide. The atmosphere of the planet of Mars is mostly consists of carbon dioxide. Which type of rocks are formed when continental plates collide with each other? And metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks basically types of rock which are layers and which form when continental plate collide with each other, then form the metamorphic rocks. Winner of Emerging Man Asia Cup is Pakistan. Asia Cup winner is 2023 is Pakistan. Who was the first Pakistani woman who climbed Spantic Peak? The correct answer, Uzma Yusuf. Uzma Yusuf was the first Pakistani woman who climbed Spantic Peak, which is located in Skardu, Pakistan. After which amendment FATA was officially merged with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? 31st amendment in law which describe the FATA agencies are included into Khyber Pakhtunkhwa area KPK. Jungle Book was written by Rudyard Kipling. Jungle Book, the famous book, was written by Rudyard Kipling. Faust was written by Goethe. Faust novel was written by Goethe. Who was the current Chief Minister of Pakistan? Chief Minister of Pakistan Punjab Province is Mohsin Naqvi. Punjab Province Chief Minister Mohsin Naqvi. Pakistan longest motorway is M8 Rotorua with Gwadar. The length of M8 motorway is 892 km. The length of M8 motorway, which is longest motorway of Pakistan, is 892 km. Kartarpur corridor is located in which tehsil of Narwal district? Shakargarh. Kartarpur corridor is located in Narwal and tehsil is of Narwal is Shakargarh. USA's second biggest city is Los Angeles. Los Angeles is second biggest city of USA. Which is the outermost planet in the solar system? The correct answer, Neptune. The outermost planet in the solar system is Neptune. Deficiency of vitamin A results in night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin A results in night blindness. Who is the selector of Pakistan cricket team? Inzamamul Haq. Pakistan cricket team 2023 selector chairman is Inzamamul Haq. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.